This is a cam gear holder tool, and I got this from Amazon. So we're gonna take this guy and slap it right here. Sometimes it doesn't line up. You gotta twist it and do all sorts of things. And then we're just gonna blow these guys off. Not that way. There you go. When you remove the cam gears, just FYI, you can actually drop the key. There's a key behind here, and you guys won't see it yet. Let me get my big ass arms off the shot. I'm telling you, it's so much harder to work on cars when you film everything because it makes things so much longer to do. So take this cover or this tool off, slide this guy. Okay, make sure that you're at top dead center, and then there's a key. Do not lose this because you're gonna have to buy another one if you do, and they're super easy to drop. So be very careful because yeah, it sucks when you drop these boys. So take this guy off. Some of you guys might be curious if I'm gonna do fancy cam gears. Ooh, look at this.